India is the pharmacy of the world. As you are all aware, the Indian products have suffered due to all the API being imported from China. The reason the prices of medicines have gone up drastically is because of the imports being costlier. India left out on this for the simple reason that we could not compete with prices. We had to shut down because of environmental issues, and that is why this business firstly it was an Indian business which went to China. The Modi government has now made API parks so that India has its own API. So once we have our own API in India, the prices will go down, accessibility will go down, and plus we can export to the rest of the world where China was a dominant player. So today we are just getting this business back, which is Ghar Wapsi of the API. I hope all of you all will contribute in this, and you have a reason to do it so that India becomes number one in the pharmaceutical world also. Our prices go down, access to the world, it becomes easier from India, and India is able to do a one single window discharge for all these, which will also increase us in foreign earnings and taking the Indian pharmacy to the world.